You're watching Fox Wilmington News at 6:30. Local news, better time.
On a Monday night, let's take a look at what's trending.
Yeah, Nikki Bussey is here. Nikki, a lot of people still talking about the death of Rodney King today.
Oh yeah, today investigators are still working to find out just what happened. Now yesterday his fiance found him at the bottom of a pool, and King was just 47 years old when he died yesterday. And authorities think it might have been an accident, but they're not for sure. Of course, in 1991, amateur video caught officers beating King for more than 7 minutes after a traffic stop. The officers were, of course, later acquitted of any wrongdoing, leading to nearly a week of deadly riots in South Central Los Angeles. I remember that when that happened.
Tough to watch that video.
Yeah.
It's still tough. And then,
Tough
you know,
to
those
stomach.
riots, I think at least 50 people were killed. I mean, it was one of the deadliest riots in history.
It's just a very
Oh yeah.
sad.
sad time in our country's history, and it's sad that he would have
So
to
young,
perish under questionable circumstances, obviously. You know, I mean, he had a difficult life after everything that
Yeah.
happened. So.
Yep.
Well, you know, there's always one guy who tries to ruin
Oh,
it
yeah.
for everyone.
Right.
Webb Simpson won the U.S. Open last night, of course. Now, in his big moment, it was overshadowed by that guy. As you saw, the man in the red, white, and blue mohawk toboggan started making bird calls in the middle of his speech. The 25-year-old responded with, "Enjoy the jail cell, pal." I saw that. That was pretty funny.
It was pretty funny.
Like,
I
as it
love it though
happened.
because he's out there like, you know, cooking and all this stuff, and then you just see this
Oh, yeah.
arm
Yeah,
just
you
grab
saw
him,
that guy
just
just yank him aside.
yank him out of the picture.
And Bob Costas is
Rolling
trying to-
over it like it's
There
no
he is
big
again.
deal.
There he is again. Watch this.
Get out of there.
And they just let it go. Hilarious. Good stuff there. Well, Vanilla Ice was rumored to be dead on Twitter. The rapper responded by saying he was alive and well, and he didn't die in a car crash. Global Associated News, which is a fake site, claimed Vanilla Ice died in a single car crash on Route 80 between Morristown and Roswell. That means the accident would have happened on the interstate highway somewhere between New Jersey and New Mexico. People didn't read too closely. I wouldn't have understood it. Anyway, he joins a long list of celebs who have been reported dead on Twitter that are not like
I have
Ice-
discovered.
Ice Baby.
Yeah, no,
Oh,
I've
yeah.
discovered that anytime someone says that they fell off a cliff during a shooting of a movie,
It's not
fake.
real.
I've heard that so many times about
not
so
real.
many people.
Read the fine print.
Yeah. Well, CBS is going to get a new game show. The company is doing a TV version of the app Draw Something. Now, if you don't know what that is, basically you get a word, draw a picture, and another person tries to get it. Those are the better drawings, of course. Ryan Seacrest's name is going to be attached to it somehow, but they said that he's going to be a producer, not the host. I kind of hope he hosts, though.
You know what? That would mean he's on CBS, he's on Fox, he's also basically on
Rumored to be Today
NBC.
Show.
Well, yeah, he's definitely doing the Olympics for NBC, and NBC and Anyway are crisscrossed
Family.
because of
Network Family or
Comcast. So I
I really
mean,
think that's got that much of
everything.
a following. That app has got that much of a following.
Well, it's not
to
Angry
be-
Birds, but I think it'd be funny, like a
And I
new
don't-
twist on.
I'd like to see Angry Birds as a real game
And
show.
it may, maybe this is the spark to get game shows. You know, everything goes in cycles.
Yep.
I mean, you have game shows for a while, and then they go away. Then one comes back, like
And they
Who
bring a
Wants to
bunch
Be a
back.
Millionaire
Yeah.
comes back
yeah.
and spawn 2 or 3, and then they go away again.
The
Maybe
Weakest
this-
Link, I remember that. Oh,
You
Survivor.
are the weakest link.
Goodbye.
They had a couple of those things. Then the one, the Suitcases and the Money. Which one was that?
Howie. It was
Howie Mandel. It was on for a little while.
see, I
I'm
would
thinking of
remember
the Baggage
Deal or No
Show,
Deal.
And it's not the bag.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was like
No
baggage.
Deal.
That's not it.
Can't meet Match Game though. Match
That's a
Game
good
is
one.
the best.
How about No Whammy, No Whammy, No Whammy?
Bam.
No whammies.
Yeah.
No whammy on the
No
weekend.
Emmy.
I said no whammy.
Oh, I thought you said no Emmy.
No whammy. No whammy, no whammy.
That's for all of us.
No
TV
Emmy for
people.
us.
No Emmy. No Emmy.
No whammy for this newscast.
Oh, really. All right. Hey, we had a great weekend. That was a winner in my book, anyway.
It was. It was
For
very
sure.
nice.
We're going to find out about the rest of the work week. Rob has the details after the break.